Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add outline to your Google Docs document. But first, what is the meaning of outline? Well, outline is this part on your document. This allows you to navigate around the section of the document very quickly without having to manually scroll down or scrolling up to find a specific outline. So this feature is usually exists in many documents, especially the long one, but it has to be created manually. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add that to your document. Now I have this document. As you can see here, there is no outline on the left-hand side of the screen. But just because there is no outline doesn't mean the document doesn't come with the outline. Sometimes your Google Docs setting might be hiding the outline from your view. What you need to do is go to the View menu and then click Show Outline or use this shortcut. After that, the outline should appear in the document and it can be used as normal. Let's move on to add a new outline to the document. I have this section that I have prepared and I want to add it to the outline. The first thing you need to do is to select the text and then go to this section. You have to change the style of the text. Then you can select the hierarchy of the text. So in Google Docs, there are multiple options, but you have to select it carefully. For example, title is higher than subtitle, and heading 1 is definitely higher than heading 3. This will affect the structure or the organization of the document, and you want to make sure that everything is as organized as possible. In my case, this section should be the H1, aka heading 1, and I'm going to apply that. Now we have the management added to this outline. So that's basically how you can add outline in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful and I'll see you on next video. Take care.